For companies seeking an immersive experience for their designs, eDrawings Professional 2019 provides a seamless path to virtual reality. Simply open the SOLIDWORKS assembly in VR, adjust the scene settings like the sky and floor, and it's time to put on the headset and jump into your design. Using the controller, a click will teleport you from one location to another. This makes navigating through your design easy and fast. You can virtually climb stairs, view sightlines, look over a platform ledge, and feel what it's like to be inside your design. Moving further up the telescope, you can grab objects with another controller click. You can view component metadata, use a pick-and-place method to disassemble, or simply release to put them back. In addition to direct VR in eDrawings, SOLIDWORKS 2019 includes an extended reality exporter. A Save As delivers geometry, textures, appearances, plus much more. You can now create your own augmented or virtual reality experience, leveraging your SOLIDWORKS data. Extended reality options in SOLIDWORKS 2019 deliver innovations that drive your business for the demands of the next generation.